What's up everyone? So as I was taking my daily nap, this came in the mail. Roush Mufflers. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go to the shop tomorrow in Sacramento. They're gonna install them and then we're gonna see how loud my car can get. I'm so excited. Let's open it up right now. Wow. So here we have muffler, clamps, and then these are the tips. I'm assuming it has the word tip right here. Just taking them out of the box so I can put them in my trunk right now. Since it's too big to fit all of this. Make it easier on the mechanics. That should be everything. Alright, so I just put the clamps, the tips, the mufflers in my car. It's the final time I'm using my Ford mufflers. Found a guy in Sac. He said he can install them for $120. Hopefully these were welded on as well. Hopefully that's not an issue for them since they're a muffler shop, so they know what they're doing. Hopefully he doesn't charge me more for that. This is the tip. What do you guys think? You guys think Ford Racing's cooler or the Roush? Alright guys, moment of truth, I'm excited. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my god. Shit. Oh my lord, that's nice. What the hell? This is not my car. It sounds similar to a V8, I'll tell you that. That's insane. I'm a little nervous now. Let's see. I have mixed feelings right now. Is it gonna be too loud, like obnoxiously loud? Well, you guys let me know. Let me know, do you guys think it sounds like a V8 or can you still tell that it's a V6? I'm cruising at 40 right now in the street. It's not that bad. It's not bad at all. You can still hear the inside of the cabin. Freeway now. I'll see how it sounds like. Hopefully it's not too raspy. I hope. I'm at 77, 80. It's not that bad. Maybe in the mornings, like it might get annoying every now and then, but overall